Wow, how much can you cruise Alaska for? This price is the best I've seen all season. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, today is May 6, 2026. I just wanted to let you know about some of the great deals I saw this morning. Hey, by the way, hope you all had a good Cinco de Mayo yesterday. We sure did. Okay, let's get right into it. Let's click on price per night and sort by price per night. And the first thing that comes up for Alaska is the Norwegian Jade, $419 per person, which is $59 per night. What a deal. All right, this is 7 nights, May 18th, from Vancouver to Anchorage. And $419 is the best price I've seen this season so far. We got a good deal on a Princess Alaskan cruise last minute at this time last year for $445 per person. So this even beats that, the $419. Let's take a look at the deal here. 7 nights, again on May 18th. $419 for an inside cabin. Ocean view is $449. Not too much of a jump. And then even if you want a balcony, it's still reasonable. $829 for 7 nights per person. And if you really want to splurge, take a look at the suite. It's only it's less than $100 more than the balcony is, so $919. Since this is Norwegian, they have a great policy, a good sale going on right now with the unlimited open bar for $28.50 per person per day. That's a really good package. Most drink packages are, in the $70 or $80 extra per person per day. So you're getting a deal with Norwegian. Here's the itinerary. You're doing Vancouver to Whittier. So basically it hits all the same ports that we did last year on Princess, except for Icy Strait Point. That's additional. And last year on Princess, we were able to go into the Glacier Bay National Park. It looks like that isn't on the itinerary for this particular cruise, but it looks like a fantastic trip nonetheless. So you can take a look. If that's something you want to do, this is the best price I've seen all year. Here's the ship, the Norwegian Jade. Good size. It's got 93,000 tons and it carries 2,300 passengers. Just as a comparison, for the Grand Princess going to Alaska, this is 7 nights departing May 23rd. And it's $497 on an inside cabin. So it's a little bit more, but for Princess, that's still a very good deal. And it does include Glacier Bay National Park. With Glacier Bay, you can actually go inside the park. It's restricted to only 2 cruise ships a day. When we were there, the only other cruise ship we saw was another Princess cruise ship. The Princess is one of the few cruise lines that do go into Glacier Bay National Park. So if that's something you want to do, try Princess instead of Norwegian. Both have great prices right now, so it's just up to you which cruise line you like better. All right, next up, let's look at the Bahamas. The only reason I'm looking at this one is because of the price. $176 for the Margaritaville Paradise. It's a very low budget ship, but the price, I've never seen it this low. $44 per night per person. If you're not a discerning cruiser or you've never cruised before, this would be probably a good option for you. 4 nights, May 11th, out of Palm Beach, Florida. And it's the Paradise. Margaritaville is running a sale right now, 50% off sale. So you'll probably see these same price reductions on the Islander out of Tampa as well. So you take a look at that if that's something you want to check out. Now here's one I noticed also this morning. If you ever had the hankering to go to Bermuda, 7 nights on May 17th. So out of Boston and back into Boston, Norwegian Breakaway, and it's only $509 per person, $72 per night. That's a pretty good deal for Bermuda. Let's look at it in detail here. Inside cabin 509, ocean view was 708, and balcony goes up to 1100. So, and looking at the itinerary, it's out of Boston and it goes to Halifax, Nova Scotia, and then down to Bermuda for an overnight. That's probably the best thing about this itinerary, is that it does an overnight. Gives you more time to explore Bermuda if that's what you'd like to do. The price is right, and if that's what you're interested in, give it a shot. And here's just to show you that Northern Europe trip that has been available for the last month or two is still available. May 31st, 11 nights, Southampton, England to Reykjavik, Iceland on the Norwegian Star for only $779, which is $70 per night. So take a look at that. After this, all the prices do go up quite a bit. So this is the only Northern Europe cruise on sale currently. Northern Europe is hard to find a good value. So if you do find one, grab it while you can. We would be taking this cruise ourselves if we could swing it this year. Here's a closer look at this trip. $779. Our balcony is $1094. Still, that's for 11 nights, $1094. That's just under $100 per night per person, which is usually the benchmark that I go by for value. Ocean view is $814. So look at that, $779, $814, and $1094. All good values. And the itinerary is out of England, a couple nights in Scotland, Norway, and then Iceland. So, wow, great trip, great itinerary. If you're interested, grab it. And the other one is still available also that I've talked about, and that's the trip to Tahiti, or the Tahitian trip. The Tahitian trip on the Norwegian Spirit, May 15th, 12 nights. And it's still inside is $758. It's been that price for a little while now, and it's actually gone down in price. Ocean view is $961. That's a very good deal by itself. And you can see the itinerary: Tahiti, Bora Bora, Raiatea, Moorea, and Hawaii. So with an overnight in Honolulu. Very good trip. You're embarking in Tahiti and you're leaving Honolulu, so you will have to handle the flights. Anyway, hope you got something out of this. Thanks. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoy these videos as much as I enjoy making them. If you do, please give me a like and also subscribe to my channel for more upcoming adventures. We've got plenty more trips just for this year alone, and then soon after that we'll be doing transatlantic and trans-Pacific voyages. Stay tuned.